options under view menu in Impress. So look at the view menu now. So firstly, all the views are there. The view buttons that is appearing in the work area also that we discussed yesterday. Normal, outline, slide sorter, slide show, master, slide pane, sidebar, toolbars तो हर ऑप्शन हमने पढ़ा है, right? Then is status bar, जो commonly I am telling those one. So you can note it down. Normal, outline, slide sorter, slide show, master, sidebar, slide pane, toolbars, status bar, header and footer, zoom, header and footer, zoom. Done? बच्चे? Now the next options under format menu. Options under format menu in Impress. Character, paragraph, bullets and numbering, character, paragraph, bullets and numbering, page for formatting of the page, change case, slide design, slide layout, slide design, slide layout, group, change case. Look at the screen for changing the case, either uppercase, lowercase, and tense case. Next is options under slideshow menu. So this is the important one. Options under slideshow menu. First option is slideshow. Slideshow settings. Slideshow settings. Rehearse timings. Custom animation. Slide transition. Show slide, hide slide. Custom slideshow. Should I repeat? Done? Next is, now who will tell me the difference between animation and transition? What do you understand by these two terms? You have done PowerPoint also, so the concept is same. Animations and transition. Anyone? The difference between the two? Yes, try it. Anyone? What are transitions and what are animations? आपने किया हुआ है PowerPoint में, so you have implemented it practically also in the lower classes. So any basic idea regarding the two? Yes, okay. No? You sit down. Anyone else? So Arshin is saying transition is an effect which takes place when we move from one slide to another. Very correct. So transition is the effect that you're applying on the slide, that how your slide will enter or how your slide will exit. आपकी स्लाइड्स जब आपके पास एंटर होती हैं, आपकी नेक्स्ट स्लाइड्स मूव होती हैं, so how it is appearing, the way, the effect on which it appears, that is called the transition. And the animation, yes, the animations are the effects that are applied on the objects. जो objects पे लगते हैं, the object can be any graphic object, it can be a picture, it can be a text, right? So this is the difference between the two. Animation जो होता है वो slides के ऊपर होता है, जो slide के ऊपर object पड़ा है उसके ऊपर हम animation लगाते हैं. For example, if you want to move some shape, you want to move how your text should appear, so that is the object. जो टेक्स्ट पे लग रहा है, ऑब्जेक्ट पे लग रहा है, दैट इज द एनिमेशन. एंड ट्रांजिशंस दैट आर अपीयरिंग ऑन द स्लाइड, दैट हाउ योर स्लाइड विल मूव फ्रॉम वन स्लाइड टू द अनदर. द डिफरेंस इज क्लियर? दोनों में डिफरेंस क्लियर, एनिमेशंस एंड ट्रांजिशंस. नाउ वी हैव टू डू द मेथड्स फॉर द सेम. सो यू कैन सी, लेट्स डू द प्रैक्टिकल फर्स्ट. नाउ दिस इज द ऑब्जेक्ट, ये टेक्स्ट है, एक ऑब्जेक्ट है. So if I want to apply any animation, so you can see यहाँ पे मैंने text box को select किया हुआ है, right? Then slideshow, custom animation. So you can see this is the custom animation window now. From the add button, you have to apply the custom animation effects. Clear? Clicking on add, you want to apply on the entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path, miscellaneous effect. So these are the kind of animations. Various types of animations. ये आपकी headings रहेंगी, ठीक है? इसको हम करते हैं later on. So now the types of animation effects. For example, अगर यहाँ पे मैंने circle लगाना है, so I will click on the circle. So you can see the preview also. ठीक है, यहाँ पे लगा रहे हैं. So now if you want to add multiple effects, तो आपने add पे करते जाना है, ठीक है? So clicking on the add, firstly select add, circle, again add. So this will be the second effect now. So multiple effects can be applied this way. So click on OK now. The speed you can set. So these are the types of speed. Again another question here. आपने कौन सी speed रखनी है? So let it be medium. So you can change the order of the animation now. कि आपने पहले कौन सा इफेक्ट लगाना है, जैसे पहले मैंने सर्कल लगाया, फिर मैंने बाद में दूसरा लगाया. So you can change the first effect or the second effect depending upon these arrows. So you can drag the order accordingly. अगर इसको मैंने पहले नंबर पे चलाना है, so simply I will change the effect, right? So you can see clear animation effects. So you can also, so ये मैंने entrance पे लगाया, आप emphasis कर सकते हो, exit कर सकते हो, तो there are different types of effects also. अब मैंने exit पे लगा दिया, so it is scroll out. Speed again you can set. So let's look at the slideshow now. So on clicking, see, the animation is moving. Clear all the animations? कैसे लगनी है? Now write down the question here. Name the types of animations in the custom animation window or in the custom animation box. Types of animations, entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path, miscellaneous effects. Entrance, emphasis, exit, motion path, miscellaneous effects. Written. Now the next is name the types of speed in animation. Name the types of speed in animation, or what kind of speed you can apply to the animation. So the variety of speeds that are available in Impress: very slow, slow, medium, fast, very fast. So 5 kinds of speeds are available: very slow, slow, medium, fast, very fast. Done. Next question in this case is name various animation effects. तो आपने randomly कोई भी 6 to 7 आपने learn कर लेने हैं. So you can write any that you find easy to learn. Name any animation effects. तो यहीं से देख लो जो आपको सिंपल लग रहे हैं. बॉक्स लिख लो, कॉमन हो जाएगा सबका. Name various animation effects. Write down box, circle, diamond, plus, wheel, split, wipe. कितने हो गए? That is enough. कोई भी दे सकते हो. Fold is there, bounce, boomerang तो सबको याद रह ही जाएगा, है ना. Spin. So 7, 8 are enough. So you can learn any. Now next is how to apply the animation effects. So there are 3 ways. On click, कि आपकी क्लिक करने पे एनिमेशन लगे, with previous और after previous. क्लियर है? ये 3 तरह से आप एनिमेशन अप्लाई कर सकते हो. The next thing is methods for applying the custom animation. The methods for applying custom animation. First method is, so that the method we discussed right now, right click on the object, right click on the object in the slide, right click on the object in the slide and choose custom animation option, and choose custom animation option. राइट क्लिक ऑन दी ऑब्जेक्ट इन स्लाइड, कहाँ पे? वर्क एरिया में. ठीक है, वर्क एरिया में सिलेक्ट कर रहे हैं एंड देन वी हैव टू चूज द कस्टम एनिमेशन ऑप्शन. नेक्स्ट इज सेकंड मेथड. You can choose custom animation from the sidebar also. So custom animation is present on sidebar. This is the second method. Third, in the slideshow menu, the option is custom animation. Slideshow menu, custom animation option. So the 3 methods are clear to everyone? Is it clear? The 3 methods. Second method, custom animation on the sidebar. Custom animation on sidebar. The third one is, in the slideshow menu, the option is custom animation, right? Now the next is transitions. अभी हमने डिस्कस किया transitions that we are applying on the slide, that how one slide will move to the other. So just look at the command once again. So slideshow menu, slide transition. So once we are following the command, so these are the transition effects that are given. So let's say I am wiping it right or wiping it down, you want to move it clockwise with one spoke or two spokes. So different transition effects are there. And again, the speed is there. So speed in the transition is slow, medium and fast. So लिख लो इसको. Speed that are available in the transition effects, that is slow, medium and fast. Slow, medium and fast. The next thing, how you can advance this slide. Again, two methods or two options are available. How you can advance slide. First method is on mouse click. कि जब आप माउस को क्लिक करेंगे, यू आर प्रेसिंग द क्लिक बटन ऑन द माउस, तब आपका ट्रांजिशन इफेक्ट हिट होगा. At that point it will appear when you are clicking the mouse. Or you can apply it automatically कि कितने seconds के बाद वो automatically run हो. So you can take it from the automatically after. So you have to set the timings here कि कितने seconds के बाद वो अपने आप automatically चलेगा. In this case you need not to press any mouse. आपने माउस से या एंटर की के साथ कोई भी अपना मैनुअली इंडिकेशन नहीं देनी. इट विल ऑटोमेटिकली रन. Right? So you can write the two options for advancing the slide are two options for advancing the slide on mouse click. Second is automatically after. On mouse click, automatically after. Clear? So once you have applied it from here, so let's see. यहाँ पे मैंने ऑटोमेटिकली करा है. सो अप्लाई टू द ऑल स्लाइड्स. सो यू कैन सी द इफेक्ट नाउ. सो लेट्स डू द स्लाइड शो. ठीक है, ये पहले हमने एनिमेशंस लगाए थे, तो पहले ट्रांजिशन आए हैं, देन इट विल बी एनिमेशंस. So this is the animations that are going on. ये अब आपका ट्रांजिशन है ऑन द थर्ड स्लाइड. ट्रांजिशन ऑन द फोर्थ स्लाइड. So this way I have applied ना कि apply to all slides. So सारी slides पे it is working. Transition methods for okay to apply the animation effects. So those who have missed the last question, they can write it once again. For applying the animations, the first method was under the slideshow menu, the option is custom animation. Second, custom animation on the sidebar. It is present on the sidebar. Third, you have to select the object on the slide. Select the object on the slide and right click on it. Right click on it. Choose custom animation option. Choose custom animation option. Okay, now moving further, the methods for applying the slide transition. Methods for applying slide transition. First method, slideshow menu, slide transition option, slideshow menu, slide transition option. Second, slide transition on sidebar, slide transition on sidebar, right click on the slide in slide sorter, right click on the slide In slide sorter, choose the option slide transition. Right click on the slide. In slide sorter view, choose the option slide transition. The fourth method, right click on the slide. In the slide pane, right click on the slide. In the slide pane, choose slide transition option. Choose slide transition option. Now the last topic that we are left with, rehearse timings. So note down the topic, rehearse timings. So what are actually rehearse timings? Before setting the slideshow, when you want to rehearse once, आप rehearsing करना चाहते हो that how much time individually taken by a particular slide. एक slide को run करने में कितना time आपका लगा? So you are rehearsing the timings. Clear? So this feature is actually not implemented. Impress में available command है, but it is not working. So this thing you have already implemented in the PowerPoint, so I'm showing you in that only. So just write down the command for the Impress. The command for rehearse timing is slideshow menu rehearse timings option. Slideshow menu rehearse timing option. So now this is the PowerPoint. So this is the rehearse timing option. So the amount of time that you're spending on each slide, वो क्या हो जाएगा? Record हो जाएगा with all the animations and all the transitions that you have applied on a particular slide. हर slide पे कोई animation लगा होगा, transition लगा होगा. So when you're rehearsing, all the time taken by all those effects, animation and transition effects, that will be recorded and it will be saved. जब आप उसके बाद स्लाइड शो को रन कर रहे हो, at that time you need not to press enter or need not to click the mouse button for each animation effect, क्योंकि वो रिकॉर्ड हो चुका हुआ है. so that's why it will be automatically run when you are rehearsing. जब रिहर्स होके सेव हो गया है, आप उसको बाद में रन कर रहे हैं, so it will be saved. अब इसको लगाना कैसे है? So let's look at the steps. So this is the presentation, right? अब यहाँ पे पहले मेरे को कुछ इफेक्ट सेट करने पड़ेंगे, so that the time for each slide should be noted down. So यहाँ पे मैं इस पे कस्टम एनिमेशन लगा देती हूँ. So let's say मैंने एक इफेक्ट लगा दिया, 2-3 और लगा देते हैं यहाँ पे. So it is on click. So in this case also, you can reorder it, जैसे हमने इम्प्रेस में किया है. So let's see. So effect is working now, right? And in same case on the second slide as well. आप यहाँ से किस डायरेक्शन में देना चाहते हो, ये चीजें सब अप्लाई कर सकते हो. Okay, on the third slide also. And now for the time. Transitions you can apply. Now once we have to start with this rehearse timing, so you can see the recording is done here. Clear? So any transition or any effect, animation effect that you want, we have to click on this arrow button, the next button in this case. So whatever I'm speaking, that is also been recorded now. So this is the time you can see that is being taken by each slide. हर slide का time individually note हो जाएगा and then at last पूरे slide show को कितना time आपका लगा. So ये this was the transition. अब देखो साइड पे आपका टोटल स्लाइड शो का टाइम आ रहा है एंड इन द लेफ्ट साइड ऑन अ पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड एक स्लाइड पे कितना टाइम आ रहा है. ये दिख रहा है ना, दिस वॉज फॉर द पर्टिकुलर स्लाइड टाइमिंग्स एंड दिस इज फॉर द टोटल टाइम टेकन इन द स्लाइड शो. पूरी की पूरी प्रेजेंटेशन को रन होने में कितना टाइम लग रहा है. सो फ्रॉम हेयर यू कैन पॉज द रिकॉर्डिंग और अगर आपने बंद करनी है रिकॉर्डिंग तो यहां से आपने करना है क्लोज बटन. And then when the final all the slides have been covered, it will ask whether you want to keep these timings or you want to start it again. That is your choice depending upon the requirement. कई बार होते हैं हम रिकॉर्डिंग करें हमसे कुछ गलत बोला गया, right? So you can re-correct it then. And then yes, I want to save. So the total time is 1 minute and 8 seconds. So this way you can set the rehearse timings option. So the rehearse timing is clear now. The topic is clear. So today the main topics that we discussed is slide transitions, methods for setting the slide transitions, कैसे लगानी है, then how to apply the animations to a particular object, and then the rehearse timings. But in Impress, PowerPoint में भी same ही थी command, slideshow menu, rehearse timings option. Clear? So any doubt in the chapter to anyone?